The Bosch WTW876LBY is a high-performance heat pump dryer that combines cutting-edge technology with energy efficiency to provide fast and effective drying results while being environmentally conscious. The dryer has a generous capacity of up to 8 kilograms, making it suitable for families or households with larger loads of laundry. One of the key features of the Bosch WTW876LBY is its heat pump system, which recirculates warm air through the drum to dry clothes quickly and effectively. This system not only ensures excellent performance, but it also saves energy, reducing both the running costs and the dryer's impact on the environment. The dryer is equipped with a variety of advanced sensors that monitor the moisture levels in the load and adjust the drying time accordingly to prevent over-drying and minimize the risk of damage to your clothes. The self-cleaning condenser is another impressive feature that saves time and hassle as it automatically cleans the lint filter, reducing maintenance needs and ensuring optimal performance. The Bosch WTW876LBY dryer has a sleek and modern design, with a clear and easy-to-use LED display that provides clear and comprehensive information about the drying cycle. The dryer is also incredibly quiet in operation, so you can dry your clothes at any time of day or night without disturbing anyone. Overall, the Bosch WTW876LBY is an excellent heat pump dryer that provides outstanding performance, efficiency, and convenience, making it an excellent choice for anyone looking for a top-quality dryer that will get the job done quickly and effectively while being environmentally friendly.